In the world of finance, every decision counts. A single choice can build an empire or sink it overnight. Tonight, 3 contestants step into this arena armed with their knowledge, instincts, and just enough courage to take on the test of ultimate money mastery. The questions are tough, the stakes are high, and only one would walk away with the spoils of ultimate financial glory. I'm your host, Jay on Air, and this is InvestBeta Season 2, powered by Stanbic IBTC Asset Management. All right, hello, Nigeria. On today's episode of InvestBeta, we have 3 geniuses, 3 explosive rounds, and 1 live betting jackpot of 2 million naira in investment. It's not a small something, no. But here is the sweetest deal. Thanks to Stanbic IBTC Asset Management, every player on this show banks serious returns. No bear market here, only bullish energy. Hey. Let us get right into it. It is time to meet the contestants for today's trading activities.
Hi, my name is Odira. I am a quality assurance engineer. One random fact about myself is if I was to choose between eating and sleeping, I would choose to sleep.
Hi, my name is Miriam Giwa, and I am an insurance practitioner. A random fact about me is that I'm a bookworm. Like, people don't really know this, but I like reading, I like studying, I like advancing in my career.
My name is Somtochukwu Korafo. I prefer being called Somi. I'm a tax consultant. One random fact about myself is I love my beauty sleep. No disturbances when I'm sleeping.
So much. It is that all women's affair today. Who run the world?
Girls.
I love this energy. We're definitely minting millionaires today. As is now custom, before we begin, let us welcome, I'm excited for this part, our resident finance expert from the elite team at Stanbic IBTC Asset Management. She'll be breaking down complex terms and guiding us through the game. Come on, hands together for Tui! Enough of the small talk. It is time to engage in some market action. Let us play round 1, the rapid fire round. Each of you will have 1 minute to answer as many multiple choice questions as possible, and the contestant with the lowest point at the end goes home with an investment worth 50,000 naira now. Odira, you'll be the first going today. Alpha, how you day? Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
So tell us again, what do you do for a living?
I am a quality assurance engineer stroke software tester.
Only you, Wakako. You are here to win the money. Oh.
Yes.
So answer this question for me. If you were a naira note, which naira note would you be and why?
1,000 naira.
Well, can't say 50 naira.
At all.
Why 1,000 naira?
I'm not small now.
Hey! Big Adira! Are you ready to play?
Yes, I am.
Okay, can I have 1 minute on the timer, please? All right, Adira, your time starts now. What is the full meaning of POS? A, point of sales. B,
D.
points of sales. Ooh, correct. Which financial statement shows the company's financial position at the point in time? A, income statement. B, balance sheet. C, cash flow statement. D, statement of return earnings.
B.
Correct. Which of the following best describes liquidity risk? A, risk of bankruptcy. B. Ooh, correct. Which of the following is considered a safe haven asset? A, gold. B, real estate. C, cryptocurrency. D, stocks.
B.
Incorrect. What does net represent? A, total assets. B, total liabilities. C, assets. Correct. What is amortization? A, process of paying off debt over time. B, increase in stock price. C, short-term loan. D, income from investment. Correct. What is the full meaning of AML? A, automated machine learning. Anti-money laundering. C, ooh, correct. What does the debt to equity ratio measure? A, company's profitability. A, company's leverage. C, market capitalization. D, liquidity position.
B.
Correct. Ooh, and together for 0. After such an intense round, Odira has 70 points. not bad. That's not bad. Let us speak to Toyin, our financial whiz. Toyin, how did you feel about that first round?
Oh my God, Odira, you brought in the energy. Well done, well done. I really enjoyed your session. Well done. You did well. So I'd like to address one particular question that I found very interesting. Which of the following is considered a safe haven asset, right? So we had gold, real estate, cryptocurrency, and stock. Yeah, so the correct answer is gold. So you finally found that, right? But the energy was too much. Yeah, so just relax your nerve. I knew that you would have gotten the answer if you paid more attention. So well done.
Thank you.
All right, hands together for Toyin, please. And of course for Odira. What's the meaning of Somtochukwu?
Join me and praise the Lord.
Join me and praise the Lord. Will we represent the Lord with you in this round?
Definitely.
Definitely. Are you ready to play?
Yes, I am.
Don't forget the number of points to beat is 70 points. Can I have 1 minute on the timer, please? All right, Somto, your time starts now. What is the full meaning of fast? Incorrect. Which financial ratio indicates how efficiently a company uses assets? A current ratio. Incorrect. Which of the following increases a company's working capital? A, increasing accounts receivable. B, incorrect. Which of the following investment vehicles is typically considered fixed income? A, real estate investment. Incorrect. What does budget variance mean? A, difference between actual and budget. Correct. What is a fiscal year? A, calendar year. B, a 12. Correct. What is the full meaning of NEFF? A, new equity funding facility. B, net effective. Incorrect. What is retained earnings? A, earnings distributed as dividends. B, earnings kept in the business for growth. C, revenue from sales. D, correct. What is the role of a central bank? A, to provide loans to individuals. B, to maximize. C, to formulate. Incorrect. Which financial statement shows a company's profitability over a specific period? A, incorrect. It is getting hot in here. So far, Odira has 70 points. Dr. Chukwu has 30 points. And for Miriam to cross over to the next round, she has to beat 30 points. I have a question for you.
Okay.
If your wallet could say something about you, what would it say?
God, I beg you.
I love it so much. Are you ready to go?
Yes, I am.
And we have 1 minute on the timer, please. All right, Miriam, your time starts now. What is the full meaning of TMS? A, tax monetary savings. B, teller machine service. C, top management system. D, incorrect. Which financial instrument represents a loan made to a corporation or government? A, stock. B, bonds. Correct. Which of the following is an example of a non-cash expense? A, depreciation. B, cash expense. Correct. Which financial metric measures a company's profitability? A, ROI. B, NPV. C, IRR. Correct. What does the acronym FDIC stand for? A, Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. B, Financial Investment. Correct. What is net income? A, total revenue. B, revenue minus expenses. C, total assets. D, correct. What does GDP stand for? A, General Depreciation Plan. B, good due. Correct. What is cash flow from operations? A, cash received from issuing shares. B, cash generated from correct. Which of these represents a business expense? A, revenue. B, salary paid to employees. B, correct. Which of the following statements correctly captures what a POS system does? After an amazing round, Miriam has 80 points! Let us speak to Toyin now. Toyin, that was an intense one, right?
I must say, well done.
Thank you very much.
Well done. You answered all the questions intelligently, except for one question. What is the full meaning of TMS? Yeah, so it's tax management system. Well done.
Thank you.
I know it. Tax management system. Hands together for Toyin! All right, guys, we are just getting started, and I can tell you that we still have market actions on the way. All right, contestants, you don't want to snooze. You know, I said, no matter where you land, you will still end up with something. So, Somto, even though you have the lowest points for this round, you are going on with an investment portfolio worth 50,000 naira. Let us get set for the next round. Quick fingers right after this.
Money is ambitious, but haters will say money is proud.
Some say it's evil and dangerous. Yeah, I found out. Those who refuse to follow no road will say money is scarce.
Not just you.
Money is sweet.
Money is plenty.
Money is the key, and you are the key holder because you know that investment is money's love language.
At Stanbic IBTC Asset Management, we know money. We know where it grows, the language it speaks, and how to make it work for you. Invest for more with as low as 5,000 Naira. Visit bluenest.stanbicibtcassetmanagement.com or download the Stanbic IBTC mobile app to get started today.
This is still InvestBeta by Stanbic IBTC Asset Management. Here, we have fun and win big at it. Now, before the break, I told you this next round is a firecracker. Ladies and gentlemen, it's officially time for Quick Fingers! Odira and Miriam, pay rapt attention. I'll read out 15 questions in 3 sets of 5, and the first contestant to buzz in at the end of each question gets 10 points for a correct answer. Get it wrong, and your rival gets 3 seconds to swoop in to still have the point. If you will provide incorrect answers, the points go to no one. It's all right? At the end of each set of 5 questions, we will ask our finance expert, from Stanbic IBTC Asset Management to provide context for some of the questions. At the end of all 15 questions, the market closes and the contestant with the slowest fingers will face a financial downturn while the victor claims a guaranteed investment portfolio of 500,000 Naira! Now let us find out who has the quickest fingers in the land. How is economic value added calculated? A, net income plus depreciation. Yes, Miriam?
D.
D. Incorrect. Odira?
B.
Correct. In financial derivatives, what is a swap? A bond insurance. B, a contract to exchange cash flows. Yes, Odira?
B.
B. Correct. What is the difference between a stock and a bond? A, stocks are debt securities, bonds are equity securities. B, stocks are low risk, bonds are high risk. C, stocks are short-term investments, while bonds are Yes, Odira?
C.
C is incorrect. Miriam?
D.
Correct. Which of these is a scheme? A, American Express, B, MasterCard, C, Verve, D, all of the above. Yes, Odira?
D.
D is correct. What does capital budgeting involve? A, short-term investment decisions, B, long-term investment decisions. Yes, Miriam?
D.
Incorrect. Odira?
B.
B is correct. Hands together for them. Come on now. Woo. That was quite the round. After those questions, Odira has 30 points. And Miriam has 5 points. But anything can still happen. We still have 2 rounds of quick fingers. Let us speak to Toyin.
Well done, ladies. Well done. Miriam, smile. Smile for me first. I like that. So one question I'd like to address. How is economic value added, EVA, calculated? Odira, did you know the answer you just guessed?
Elimination method.
Oh, okay. Ah, nice. I love that. Very good. Very good. Smart. So yes, B is the correct answer. So net operating profit after tax, which is no part, minus your capital charge. So your capital charge is your cost of equity multiplied by the equity capital. Well done, ladies. Well done.
Hands together for Toyin, please. Are we ready for the next 5?
Yes.
Yes.
Don't forget, anything can happen, Let us go. Which accounting standard governs revenue recognition for most companies internationally? A, GAAP 12, B, IFRS 15, C, IFRS 9. Yes, Miriam?
B.
B is correct. What does a negative beta for a stock typically indicate? A, the stock is highly volatile and moves in the same direction as the market. B, the stock is less volatile than the market. C, the stock's price tends to move. Yes, Odira?
C.
C. C is correct. What is the concept of rebalancing in portfolio management? A, yes, Odira?
B.
B is correct. What is the difference between liquidity and solvency in financial management? A, liquidity is a long term. Yes, Miriam?
C.
C is correct. Final question for this round. Which of these best describes the Modigliani-Miller theorem? A, capital structure. Yes, Miriam?
D.
D is incorrect. Odira?
C.
C is incorrect as well. Fire round. Odira now has 50 points. While Miriam has 25 points. Let's not forget one more round to go in quick fingers. But before that, let us speak to Toyin.
Okay, well done, ladies. Miriam and Odira, very good session. So one question, which of these best describes the Modigliani-Miller theorem? So capital structure is irrelevant in perfect market. So that's why the question says best described. I could understand why you chose D. So taxes do not affect capital structure. Yeah, you're correct, right? However, the question said best described. Yeah, well done, ladies.
Come on, hands for Lua Toyin. All right, let us play the final round of quick fingers. What is the 50-30-20 rule? A, allocate 50% for expenses, 30% for savings, 20%. Yes, Odira?
C.
C is correct. What is the formula for calculating the current ratio? Yes, Mary? A is correct. What is the role of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC? Yes, Odira? D is correct. A series of regular or periodic payments of equal amounts are called a sinking fund. Yes, Odira?
C.
C is correct. The primary purpose of the journal in accounting is to A, record transactions for books of prime entry, B, record year-end adjustments only, C, correct errors in... Yes, Miriam?
A.
A is incorrect. Odira?
D.
Correct. And that's our final round of quick fingers. Woo! That was an intense round, and after that, Miriam has 35 points, while Odira has just been crowned as the market leader for this round with 85 points. Woo! She said, now, wow. Let us now speak to Toyin. Toyin. That was something, right?
That was so good, to be very honest. One question I'd like to address. A series of regular or periodic payments of equal amounts are called... Elimination method is very good for this. However, it's something that you can easily answer. So sinking funds, premium, annuities. Someone chose D as interest, but let's just know that it is annuities that are series of regular or periodic payments. Well done, ladies. That was a very good one. Well done.
Hands together, hands together. Miriam, let me tell you something. You played a good game. All right, hands together for Miriam one more time now. And just because Stanbic IBTC as a management said, Jay, nobody can leave this place without collecting something in your investment portfolio, you will leave it with 100,000 naira in your investment portfolio. I do that if you don't know what I want to see. See you. Right now, you have 500,000 naira in your investment portfolio. But listen, in the next round, you can get that money up to 2 million naira. But relax, I'm coming back. It is time to win big on InvestBeta Home Play. Here comes today's question. That's it. Head on to events.stanbicibtc.com to answer, and if you are among the first 3 to get it right, you get 20,000 naira credited to your Stanbic IBTC mutual fund account. Good luck to you. Odira, the next round, you and I, are you ready?
Very ready.
All right, we'll be back right after this.
Money is ambitious, but haters will say money is proud.
Some say it's evil and dangerous.
Yeah, I found out. Those who refuse to follow no road will say money is scarce.
Not just you.
Money is sweet.
is plenty.
Money is the key, and you are the key holder because you know that investment is money's love language.
At Stanbic IBTC Asset Management, we know money. We know where it grows, the language it speaks, and how to make it work for you. Invest for more with as low as 5,000 naira. Visit bluenest.stanbicibtcassetmanagement.com or download the Stanbic IBTC mobile app to get started today.
All right, and we are back. It is so good to be back. This is still InvestBeta by Stanbic IBTC Asset Management. Now, this round is called Risk and Reward, the final round. However, how long this round will last is truly up to Odira. Odira, pay attention. You can either walk away with your 500K guaranteed investment prize that you already won, or risk some of that money for a chance to raise your earnings to an investment worth 2 million naira. Come on now. So here is the deal. We have 3 scenarios to test your knowledge of savings, investments, and risk analysis. You will stake 100,000 naira from your current winnings for each of the 3 questions. Answer each question correctly, and you will add 500,000 naira to your guaranteed sum. If you get it wrong, though, you will lose the 100,000 naira staked. Odira, do you get the rules?
Yes, I do.
Are you ready to play?
Yes, I am.
So let's imagine you came for a job, right? And I ask you, how well do you work under pressure? What's your answer going to be?
My middle name is Pressure.
Your middle name is... Come on now, hands together. Tony, how are you feeling about this final round?
In fact, I'm very much ready. You know what made me laugh?
What?
Odira said, my middle name is Pressure,
Hey.
where money is involved. That's
Hey.
Odira, please now. I love that. That's the winning mentality. Well,
I love it so much. So I have to ask you, are you going to be walking away with the 500K in your investment portfolio right now, or do you want to stake 100,000 naira from that money to play risk and reward?
I'm staking the 100,000.
She's taking 100,000 naira. Odira, here goes your first question for risk and reward. If a project requires an initial investment of 100,000 naira and generates cash flows of 30,000 naira annually for 5 years, what is the payback period? A, 3 years. B, 4 years. C, 5 years. D, 3.3 years.
I'll go with D.
Option D, 3.3 years. Do you want us to lock that in?
Yes, lock it in.
Locked in. Odira has gone for option D, 3.3 years. Tony, this is one part of the show that, scares me, and I'm not even playing.
Honestly. Are you sure that you want to go with D?
Yes, I'm sure I want to go with D.
Based on elimination method?
Some bit of calculation.
Okay, nice. Oh, bit of calculation.
Little bit.
Odira is very intelligent without pen and paper. Odira, you're coming for my job, oh. I'm scared. Okay. You've made it so far to this point, and to be very honest, I am sincerely happy. When I see women do things like this and try to achieve more, is very much interesting. And I'm happy that you've gotten to this stage. However, for this, the correct answer is D. Well done.
Option D! Odira now has 1 million naira in her investment portfolio! Is this stuff you have been using to pass you? Odira, guaranteed 1 million. Oh. At any point, you can choose to say, J on air. This is what the Lord has brought me to. I want to say goodbye. Or choose to stake 100,000 naira again. Odira, do you want to say goodbye to us here? No shame, oh. Or do you want to stake 100,000 naira? Remember, if you stake and you lose this, your money goes down to 900,000 naira. But if you stake and you win, your money goes up to 1.5 million naira. Do you want to stake or do you want to say goodbye?
I'm Taking.
You're not more confident. She's taking. Odira, here goes your next question for risk and reward. You purchase a bond with a face value of 1,000 naira, a coupon rate of 6%, and it matures in 10 years. If the market interest rate rises to 8%, what will happen to the bond's price? A, increase. B, decrease. C, double. D, remain the same.
I'll go with B.
Option B. So we should lock that in?
Yes.
All right, Odira wants us to lock down option B. Luatoyin, we're here again.
Okay. Why did you choose B?
A combination of different things.
Like what? I'd like to know.
I've read something about it somewhere, but I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
But that seems like what I read.
Okay, what do you do again?
I work in tech.
Oh, tech. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so Jay, you know, this is my job. This is what I do every time. So when your coupon rate is lower than the interest rate, so it means that the interest rate is higher than your coupon rate. That means the bond is at a discount. The price is lower. Option B is correct.
Option B is correct! Wow! Right now you have 1.5 million naira in your investment portfolio. That is a good one. You can decide to leave right now or decide to stake 100,000 naira. Remember, if you stake that 100,000 naira, your 1.5 goes down to 1.4. Maybe small thing, but if you win, it goes up to 2 million naira. The ultimate prize right here for InvestBeta. What are you going to do right now, Odira?
Let's proceed.
Let's proceed. We're proceeding on. Odira, here goes your final question for risk and reward. This question holds the prize of 2 million naira. Okon is considering investing in either Company X or Company Y. Company X's stock trades at 150 naira and paid an annual dividend of 6 naira. Company Y stock trades at 200 naira and paid an annual dividend of 9 naira. Which company offers a higher dividend yield, and what is that yield? Option A, Company X with 4.0%. Option B, Company Y with 4.5%. Option C, Company X with 4.2%. And option D, Company Y with 5.0%. 2 million naira is on the line for this final question of risk and reward. Odira is calculating. This is a final one for 2 million naira. This is going to be Odira.
I would go with B.
Odira is going with option B. I mean, you've played a good game. Are you sure?
I'm not sure, but I'm going with B.
You're not sure, but you want to stick with option B. Right, Odira, we're locking down option B. Luatoyin, the final question for risk and reward. She has locked down option.
Odira, you've come this far and you've done well. So whether you win the money or not, quite frankly, it's fine. So when you say you're not sure, just be, if I were you too, it's fine. At least I'm going on with millions, right?
True.
Yeah, so that's nice. So option B. Jay, you must agree with me that Odira has played a good game.
She does.
So whatever happens now is just, so no need of back and forth.
Yeah.
Odira, I'm happy to tell you that option B is correct.
Option B is the right answer! Odira! 2 million naira in our investment portfolio! Mastermind! Igwe Buruburu! Tallest man in Africa! Odira, how are you feeling right now?
I feel good. Very good.
You never experienced it?
Not really.
Congratulations to Odira! Flawless victory! And that is how to wrap up another episode of your favorite investment show. Come on, hands together now. I absolutely loved every moment on this show, and I know you watching from home would feel the same way. A special shout out to Stanbic IBTC Asset Management, the leading investment company in Nigeria with over 2 trillion in assets under management. Remember, it is not too late to start your investment journey with as little as 5,000 naira. Simply visit the URL or call the number on the screen to get started. You can also scan the QR code now to begin. If you haven't turned on your post notification, I'm looking at you with bad eye. Just turn it on right now and you won't miss out on all the happenings. I remain your loyal host, G on Air, Booze and Beers. We meet again next time. Bye for now. Adira, big Adira.
I am very, very excited, extremely excited. I don't even know what other adjective I could use right now.